Hello, future global citizens. Just imagine tomorrow you are walking through the streets of London, attending lectures in New York, or sipping coffee in snowy Canada. Sound exciting, right? Today we are talking about a dream many of you have studying abroad. You might be wondering, how do I get a visa? How much will it cost? And their scholarships? Don't worry. I'm here to clear your doubts and guide you step by step. Let's begin this journey together. What is studying abroad? In simple terms, it means pursuing higher education outside your home country. But it's more important than just academic. It's exposure, adventure, and a new lifestyle. You will study in world class universities, meet students from 100 plus countries, and transform your personality. Which countries are best for Indian students? The most popular study destinations are USA for top universities, huge research opportunity. Canada, affordable, safe and PR opportunities. UK is for 1 year master's program, save time and money. Australia is for great lifestyle, post-study work rights. And let's not forget Germany, Ireland and New Zealand. Also fantastic choices. How do I choose the right course or university? Follow the golden rule. Interest plus career goals is equals to right choice. You love coding? Go for the computer science. Want business? Choose management or MBA. When selecting a university, don't just look at rankings. Check course content, location, job opportunity and industry connections because your degree is a ticket but the real landing is in the job market. Application process. What documents do I need to apply? Here's the checklist. 10th plus 12th mark sheets, and if you are applying for masters then bachelor's degrees are important. Valid passport, statement of purpose, letter of recommendation, English proficiency test, CV. Do I need language or entrance test? Yes, usually most universities requires IELTS, TOEFL or PT. Some courses need extra exams like GRE for MS, GMAT for MBA, SAT for bachelor's, but with proper preparation, these tests are very manageable. Is it difficult to get admission or visa? Not really. If your academics are solid and documents are in order, admission is straightforward. For a visa, you mainly need financial proof and to show you are a genuine student. With the right guidance, approvals are very achievable. Let's see the financial and practicals. How much does it cost to study abroad? Cost vary by country and program. Canada is 10 to 15 lakh per year, UK is for 15 to 20 lakh per year, USA 20-30 lakhs per year. Germany, many low cost or even free tuition universities. Living expense are usually around 6 to 10 lakhs per year. Remember, this is not an expenses, it's an investment in your future. Can I work while studying abroad? Yes, most countries allow 20 hours per week of part-time work. You can work in cafes, libraries, internships, enough to cover living costs and gain international experiences. Are there scholarships available? Absolutely. Scholarships are offered by government and universities. Example including Chevening for UK, DART for Germany, Erasmus for Europe, and many internal university scholarships. Strong academics and a good application can save you a lot of money. What support is available after arrival? At first, you may feel a little cultural shock, different food, accent, left-hand driving. But don't worry, universities provide student support services like orientation program, career counseling, and academic help. Plus, partners like Komet Study Abroad guide you with accommodation, part-time job, and ongoing support. So, dear students, Studying abroad is not just about academics, it's a life changing experience. You will see a new world, meet new people, and take your career to a global level. Remember, the decision you make today shape your tomorrow. Don't just dream, take a step. And one step a day, you will proudly say to your parents, Mom and Dad, I made it. Komet Study Abroad is always there to turn your dreams into reality. Thank you and wishing you all the very best.